What's cracking? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, thanks for tuning in. Go ahead, hit like, comment, and subscribe. If you've been here for a while and you've been wondering where I've been at, you already know. So, without further ado, we're gonna get into why we're here. I got my top 5 shoes that, you know what I'm saying, you should have in the closet. This is like essentials for a sneakerhead or somebody that just like to put on, you know. And the base for your outfit, your fit, your drip, your swag, whatever it is, your kicks. Well, for me. So this is my opinion. By no means, I'm not telling you to go out and go buy all these shoes at one time. If you already got them, you in luck. If not, these are all obtainable shoes that you can cop at your leisure, you know. So without further ado, let's get into the shoes. So before I get started, I want to give an honorable mention to the first shoe I actually got a pair. I just didn't feel like looking for. It's gonna be the Converse Chuck Taylor, somewhere around here, wherever I put the picture. That's a classic, you know, and they super cheap, so just about anybody can get a pair. They're not like super hype, so that's the first shoe. Now, second shoe, we're gonna keep it classic, and we're gonna go with the Adidas Superstar. This is a shoe that is versatile and you look good in. It's a classic silhouette. I don't even know how long these been around. They've been around for a while. I mean, Run DMC had a deal, and Run DMC ain't making music right now, so the Adidas Superstar is number 2 on my list of most affordable, should have kicks in your collection. And it's a shoe, man. We're not gonna get no B-roll on these, cause I mean, they've been out for years. You've seen what they look like. So the Adidas Superstar is number 2 on our list. All right. There. Next on my list is another classic. White on white Air Force One. Low. So this is, I mean, I wear mine. I don't know what the new trend is. Everybody getting a pair and they just cooking them, but I like to keep mine, you know what I'm saying, icy white. I've worn these probably 3 or 4 times. Got a little crease in there, which is expected. Like, wear your shoes, people. Wear your shoes. But this is a classic silhouette. Back in the day when I was young, these was like $70, $80. Now they retailing at, I believe, $110. Yeah, $110. So not super up there on the, you know, price scale, but still, it's an obtainable and affordable shoe. I mean, during the pandemic, for some reason, they was like selling out, and people was like busting heads for them. But now they in stock. You can get them. I got these from Nike, so yeah. And I mean, you can lace swap. This is a perfect shoe to customize if you're into that. If not, you know what I'm saying, it's a white on white. It's classic. So this is number 3 on our list of shoes you should have, man. I know I keep switching up the title of what I'm saying, most affordable shoes you should have, but hey, man, it is what it is. You're here now. All right. Number 4, we're going to stay with Nike. We're going to go ahead and hit you with the Panda Dunk. You know what I'm saying? The black and white Dunk Low. Another classic silhouette. It's a hype beast shoe right now. I hit on a restock. Yeah, hit on a restock. So, and I'm like, man, I don't have the shoe in the collection, so let me go ahead and grab it. But you know, this is a shoe that everybody wants, and I believe it's just for the classic colorways. You can put anything on with it, and it's a nice base. You know, the black and white, you can put any color on with your outfit, and it still looks right. So Nike Dunk Low, black and white, also known as the Panda. I'm about to knock a picture off the wall. You see that? Move a chair over. All right. Now that was number 4. We're gonna go with, was it number 4? Yeah, number 5. The Adidas 700 Wave Runner. What can I say, man? This is a thumbnail. This is a dope shoe, man. I will say Adidas, man, the sizing is weird. Like, whenever I get Yeezys, for some reason I had to take the insole out because it's tight as hell on the toe box. Even with my 350s, like this, I'm like, what the hell? They say they're true to size, but sometimes they be too tight. Or maybe I just got a fat foot. But yeah, the Wave Runner is now in my stable and is basically like my everyday shoe. They're comfortable. They look good. I like this old like dad, you know what I'm saying, vibe. It reminds me of the shoes that they used to have at Payless back in the day. Like the shoes that you wouldn't be called dead in is now fire. Like the big fat Balenciagas and all them. Like, man. So this is now a classic silhouette for me. I'm not even gonna tell you what they retail or what they're going for now, cause you'll be like, you paid that? I'm like, yeah. So this is number 5. Let's get to number 6. Now number 6 for me, I do collect Jordans, and number 6 for me is not a OG colorway, but it's an OG colorway, but it's not an OG pair. So it's as close as we got to that, you know what I'm saying? That old feel. And if you know what I mean, you already know what the shoe is. It is the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found. So I've been cooking these. This is just like them Yeezys. I'm wearing these all the time, no matter what colors I got on, because it's basically like, yeah, I know I got on heat, but I don't care. Look at the outfit, you know what I'm saying? So this shoe, I just like the age looked on it. But for anybody that's looking for like a staple, like I need to have a classic Jordan in my collection, like this is not a bad start. So, which I'm gonna get into my top 5 or my rotation for the Jordans. But this right here, it's a dope shoe, and they not busting no heads right now for it. Like I think Gold StockX, like you get a brand new pair for the low. Hit up your local shops, you know what I'm saying, your Facebook Marketplace. Just watch out for the hook though, cause they be out here scamming. That's it, man. This is number 6 on my shoes you should have in your closet. That's what I'm gonna call it. Shoes you should have in your closet. So, like always, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing. Like, comment, subscribe, share, please. I'm trying to make this a regular thing to be back on YouTube or Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Back behind the camera, basically. So, and thanks to our sponsor, my brand, Black Triangle. Like I say, retail over resale. And holla at your boy. I'm out.